Remove wrinkles, and you will be a beautiful chief actress. Secret Strips. Forehead wrinkles, nasolabial folds, eye wrinkles, eyebrow wrinkles, make a woman worthless, chin cutting, injections, bone grinding, facelifting, embedding, make beauty painful. Say no to all the pains. My only way to keep young. Secret Strips, a world popular wrinkle remover, is coming. Get rid of wrinkles. Use no masks, but Secret Strips. Get a V-shaped face without many plastic surgeries, but Secret Strips. In 2013, Secret Strips was invented, which has a water lock capacity of more than 1,000 hours. This is a new breakthrough in life sciences and a key to skin regeneration. Secret Strips are produced in GMP dust-free workshop and meet international pharmaceutical standards. Secret Strips are world's first product for anti-aging and wrinkles removal. The essence of one-piece Secret sticker is equivalent to 100 pieces ordinary facial masks. Its unique condensed water microcrystalline technology can quickly heal wrinkles and restore skin elasticity. It is known as the iron of the skin. Remove wrinkles with Secret Strips. Secret Strips are a revolutionary product. The embedding structure with matrix elasticity and the ergonomic bionic design makes it fit the face well and comprehensively tighten the skin. Secret Strips work even when you are sleeping, lifting and tightening your skin. Get rid of wrinkles. Use no facial masks, but Secret Strips. Get a V-shaped face without many plastic surgeries, but Secret Strips. Crack the curse of the time and create a much tender skin in 14 days, and you will once again become the focus. Get up every morning to meet a better you. Secret Strips. I love it. Witness the beauty and extraordinary transformation. Witness the miracle and the rebirth. Secret Strips. Secret Strips are certified by US FDA, SGS, EUCE, EUCPSR, and ISO 22716.